देखोगे वर्ड का फर्क, बंडल्ड स्लैश डबल्ड. A wire of length is bundled slash doubled on itself. Find the बोर्ड किसी को नहीं दिख रहा है? अब इतना जोर से करने का जरूरत था. कौन है? अभी दिख रहा है? अभी दिख रहा है कि नहीं दिख रहा है? ब्लर आ रहा है. हॉटस्पॉट से चलाते हैं. माइक ऑफ करो जरा. प्लीज पुट ऑफ द माइक्स. माइक्स ऑफ कर दो. Whose mic is on? Now is it clear? अभी भी स्क्रीन ब्लर ही आ रहा है सारे लोगों को. अब अभी क्लियर है? बोर्ड पूरा दिख रहा है? Look, a wire of length L is bundled slash doubled on itself. Find the percentage change in resistance. Change in resistance. देखना, यहाँ पे सिर्फ चेंज इन रेजिस्टेंस नहीं कहा है, फाइंड द परसेंटेज चेंज इन रेजिस्टेंस है. यहाँ पे थोड़ा और चीजें टफ होगी, तो मैं पिक्टोरियली पहले तुम्हें समझा रहा हूँ. अ वायर ऑफ लेंथ L is bundled on itself. Let the resistance of wire be R and area of cross section B A. फिगर क्या है? पहले वायर इस तरह का. फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल द वायर्स इन दिस फॉर्म. This is the length of the wire, this is the resistance R, and this is the area. This is the actual wire whose resistance is R, length is L, area is A, and the resistivity, you know, the resistivity is rho, RHO rho, or you give that symbol, resistivity is rho. Then a wire is bundled or doubled on itself. अब इस वायर को डबल्ड करने का मतलब क्या है समझोगे? डबल्ड ऑन इटसेल्फ और डबल्ड में फर्क क्या है? डबल्ड मतलब होता कि इस वायर के आगे एक और वायर इतनी ही लेंथ का लगा देते हैं, तो ये हो जाता है सिर्फ डबल्ड. दिस वुड हैव बीन डबल्ड. डबल्ड ऑन इटसेल्फ मतलब इधर के कोना को उठा करके ऐसे मोड़ के इसके ऊपर रख दिया, तो ये वायर अब इस तरह हो गया. और जब बीच से ऐसे मोड़ के इधर इसको ऐसे मोड़ के इधर ले आओगे तो ये इसी तरह हो जाएगा ना, देखोगे तो will it be like this? Say yes or no. Doubled on itself का मतलब, have you understood it? Doubled on itself, this is called doubled on itself. तो अब इस केस में, now in this case the length of the wire reduces to L by 2. Does it reduces to L by 2 or not? अब लेंथ हाफ हुआ कि नहीं हुआ, बताओ. Now the length of wire has been reduced to L by 2 or not? Has the area become double? Has A become 2A? Yes or no? Has A become 2A? Is this A, has this A become 2A? Twice the area of cross section? The row resistivity remains same since we are using the same material. The material has not changed, so the resistivity is again R. Now let the new resistance, this is L dash equals to A by 2. This is A dash equals to 2A, and let the new resistance be R dash. Let the new resistance be R dash. So from this one, we get a formula. R equals to rho L by A. First equation from figure 1. Next, R dash equals to rho L dash by A dash, we get from the second equation. Now is this correct, is clear to everyone? Tell me, is this clear to everyone? Students, please respond. Is this clear? Now what is the value of L dash? R dash equals to rho. What is the value of L dash? That is L by 2. So 2 will go downward. That is L by 2. And 2 will go downward, and A is 2A. So altogether when 2 comes downward, 2A into 2. That is 4A. So can you write it as R dash equals to 1 by 4 rho L by A? Can you write it? Look, can you write it as R dash equals to 1 by 4 rho L by A? Can you write it? Look here. R dash equals to 1 by 4 rho L by A, और rho L by A का वैल्यू कितना है? What is the value of rho L by A? See, rho L by A equals to R. So from here we can write R dash equals to R by 4. The new resistance is 1 by 4 times the old resistance, and this is theoretically correct as well, क्योंकि when you reduce the length, लेंथ घटेगा, रेजिस्टेंस घटेगा. देखो नया रेजिस्टेंस कम हो रहा है कि नहीं हो रहा है. And when you increase the area of cross section, then also resistance will decrease. So that is theoretically as well as practically correct. But our question was not to find the change in resistance or the new resistance. Our question was not to find the change in resistance or new resistance. Our question was to find the percentage change in the resistance. Now tell me, is the resistance increasing or decreasing? Tell me, is the resistance increasing or decreasing? So change, percent change, when it is decreasing, so percent change, in case of decreasing, it is always initial minus final by initial into 100. How many of you know this formula? Initial minus final by initial into 100. If the percent change, if the new resistance is less, then the percent change in the resistance will be initial resistance minus final resistance by initial resistance into 100. If the new resistance would have been more, then the percent change would have been final minus initial by initial into 100. So we will calculate what is the initial resistance. The initial resistance is R. What is the final resistance? That is R by 4. What is the initial resistance? That is R into 100. So 4R minus R, that is 3R by 4 by R. 1 minute. 3 by 4 into 100, that is 75%. The change in resistance is 75%. Now we have a question. A wire of length L is stretched to double its length and the radius becomes half. Find the new resistance. So we will start pictorially. Like, let this be a wire of length L. Let the length of this wire be L, the area be A, and the radius be R. So area equals to pi R square, the resistance be R. So we get from here that R equals to rho L by A. Now the wire of length L is stretched to double its length. This wire is stretched to double its length. Now this wire is stretched to double its length. So the new length, that is L dash, is equal to 2L. And the radius becomes half. So R dash is the new radius, that is equal to R by 2. So the area, let the area be A dash. So A dash equals to pi R dash whole square. So that is pi R by 2 whole square, that is pi R square by 4, that is A by 4. Why A by 4? Because R dash is the new radius, so the new area will be pi R dash whole square. What is the value of R dash? That is R by 2, because the radius becomes half. So it is pi R square by 4. What is pi R square? Pi R square equals to A. So the new area of cross section equals to A by 4. So the new resistance, let the new resistance be R dash, let the new resistance be R dash. Since both the wire are same, we have a common resistivity, it is rho L dash by A dash. So R dash equals to rho, what is L dash? L dash is 2L. What is A dash? It is A by 4. So we write A and the 4 goes up, that is 4. So R dash is equal to 8 rho L by A. So R dash is equal to 8 R. So the new resistance is 8 times the old resistance. R rho L by A, this is equal to R. So the new resistance R dash is equal to 8 times the old resistance. So this is how we do it. We have to be very careful. Changing in the area is something different and we deal it in a different type. Changing in the radius is something different and we deal it in a different type. When it is given that the radius changes, we have to formulate, use the area formula, that is area equals to pi R square. A wire of length L and resistivity rho is chained with a wire of triple its length and half its area. Find the resistance of the new wire if the resistivity is 6 times the old one. So we have drawn a figure, like this is the wire whose resistivity is rho, the resistance is R, the length is A and the area is, the length is L and the area is A. So we get a formula, R equals to rho L by A. Now this wire is chained with a new wire whose length is triple the length of the old one, whose area is half the area of the old one, whose resistivity is 6 times the resistivity of the old one. So we get a formula like then let the new resistance be R dash, that is equals to rho dash by L dash into A dash. So what is rho dash? Rho dash equals to 6 times rho, L dash equals to 3L, and what is A dash? That is equal to A by 2. So if we write A by 2 here, this 2 will go up. So altogether this is 6 and this is also 6. So 6 into 6, 36. So R dash, that is the new resistance, is equal to 36 times rho L by A, and from here we know that rho L by A equals to R. So R dash equals to 36R. So this is the new resistance that we've got, that the new resistance is 36 times the old resistance. That is theoretically as well as practically correct, that if we increase the length, the resistance increases, and if we decrease the area of cross section, the resistance also decreases. Now in the question, if it would have been said that find the percentage change in the resistance, it would have been added also find the percent change. So since the resistance in the second case, the final resistance is increasing, the percent change formula will be final minus initial by initial into 100. So the final resistance is 36R, the initial resistance is R, 36R minus R, that is 35R by R into 100. So R and R gets cancelled, that is 3500%. So the new resistance is 36 times the old resistance, and the percent change in the resistance is 3500 times.